Most drivers go through their entire lives unaware that their car is packed with hidden features and simple fixes that could save them a fortune. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on the industry. We're exposing the tricks that mechanics use to keep their shops full and showing you how to handle them for the price of a cup of coffee. These aren't just tips, they are the insider secrets to making your car look and run like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Hack 15: Vaseline for clean tire treatment. You pull into your driveway, look down, and see that dull, chalky gray look on your sidewalls. It makes a $40,000 car look like a salvage yard special. Most people run to the store and grab a bottle of extreme tire shine for $15 or $20. But here, the expert reality: look at the ingredients. Those professional dressings are almost entirely petroleum-based. Instead of paying for the fancy label, grab a jar of plain Vaseline. Apply a small amount to a microfiber cloth and work it into the rubber in circular motions. The petroleum jelly doesn't just sit on top. It actually feeds the rubber, preventing the dry rot and UV cracking that forces you to buy new tires years too early. It leaves a deep, rich satin finish that stays black for weeks, while the expensive sprays often evaporate or sling onto your paint the moment you hit the highway. Hack 14: Raw potato for crystal clear windows. It's a freezing morning and you're running late. You get in and instantly your breath fogs up the entire windshield. You're frantically wiping it with your sleeve, creating a smeared, dangerous mess that's impossible to see through. The industry wants you to buy anti-fog sprays, which are basically just surfactants marked up by 500%. Instead, go to your kitchen and grab a potato. Slice it in half and rub the cut side over the inside of your glass. Let the starch sit for a minute, then buff it clear with a clean cloth. That natural starch creates an invisible, microscopic barrier that prevents water molecules from ever latching onto the glass. No matter how much you huff and puff, that window will stay crystal clear. It's a 50-cent hack that performs better than the leading chemicals. Hack 13: The secret key hidden in your fob. Imagine you're in a dark parking lot, it's raining, and your key fob is dead. You're clicking the button until your thumb is sore, but the car is a fortress. You're 10 seconds away from calling a locksmith and paying a $200 emergency fee. Stop. Every modern key fob has a plan B built in that manufacturers barely mention. Look for a tiny silver latch or a sliding button on the side. When you slide it, a fully functional mechanical key pulls right out of the bottom. Now you might look at your door handle and think, there's no keyhole. Look at the very end of the handle, there is a small plastic cap. Pop that off with the tip of your key and the hidden lock is revealed. This is a fail-safe engineered specifically for this moment, yet 90% of drivers never even know it exists. Hack 12: Toothpaste for surface scratch removal. You're walking to your car and see a light scratch right in your line of sight on the windshield or on a headlight lens. It's not deep, but it's enough to catch the sun and drive you crazy. A glass shop will tell you the surface is compromised and quote you $150 for a professional polish. Here is the secret: standard white toothpaste is the exact same grit as a fine jeweler's rouge. Put a dab on the scratch and buff it with a soft cloth for 60 seconds. The mild abrasives in the paste gently level the surface, removing the oxidation and smoothing out the mark. It works on cloudy headlights, too, restoring your night vision for the cost of a toothbrushing session. Just stay away from the gel types, you need the old-school white paste. Hack 11: Traction control button for snow escape. You're stuck in a patch of slush or mud. You're flooring it, but the car just sits there, occasionally cutting power and making a weird grinding noise. You think your transmission is slipping. It's not, it's your traction control. This system is designed to keep you safe on the highway, but when you are actually stuck, it's your worst enemy. It detects the wheels spinning and cuts engine power to save you, which is exactly why you aren't moving. Look for the button with the car in squiggly lines and hold it down until a light on the dash says off. Suddenly, the engine will roar to life, allowing the tires to dig through the slush and find the pavement. Once you're moving, turn it back on. Knowing when to kill your safety systems is the difference between driving home and calling a tow truck. Hack 10: Vaseline for cracked steering wheel repair. Your steering wheel is the part of the car you touch the most, and yet it's the most neglected. Over time, the oils from your hands and the UV rays from the sun turn the leather or vinyl into a dry, sandpaper-like surface full of hairline cracks. Dealers charge a leather restoration fee that can hit triple digits. Instead, apply a thin layer of Vaseline to the wheel before you go to bed. Let it sit overnight to soak into the pores of the material. In the morning, wipe off the excess. The petroleum jelly acts as a deep conditioner, swelling the dried-out fibers and sealing those tiny cracks. It restores the supple feel of the wheel and prevents a full rewrap, which can cost you $400 or more. Hack 9: Coca-Cola for dead battery terminal cleaning. You pop your hood because the car is struggling to start, and you see that blue-white fuzzy growth all over your battery terminals. That's corrosion, and it's strangling your car's electrical system. A mechanic will sell you a battery service for $50, which is essentially just cleaning it. Instead, pour a little bit of Coca-Cola on the terminals. The phosphoric acid in the soda reacts with the lead acid corrosion, bubbling it away in seconds. Scrub it with an old toothbrush, rinse with water, and you're back to full power. It's basic chemistry that shops charge expert prices for. Hack 8: Steering wheel button for warning noise removal. Modern cars are like nagging co-pilots. Every time you get near a white line, the car dings, vibrates, and fights you. It's called lane keep assist, and while it's great for long highway hauls, it's infuriating in city traffic where you're dodging potholes. Many people think they are stuck with the noise. Look on your steering wheel or the left side of the dash for a button showing a car between two lines. Pressing it or holding it for 3 seconds silences the system. Don't let the car overparent your driving. You're in control, and the button to prove it has been right under your thumb the whole time. Hack 7: WD-40 for chattering wiper blade fix. Your wipers aren't worn out, they're just dirty. When your blades start chattering or skipping across the glass, it's usually because of a buildup of road film and wax. A shop will tell you to buy new blades for $60. Instead, take a cloth with some WD-40 and wipe the rubber edge. It dissolves the oxidation and restores the flexibility of the rubber. Follow it up with a quick wipe of rubbing alcohol to remove the grease, and your old wipers will suddenly glide silently and clear the rain like they were just unboxed. Hack 6: Credit card for baked-on glass removal. Have you ever washed your car and noticed water spots or sap that just won't budge? You scrub and scrub, risking a scratch on your paint. Here's the pro trick: use an old credit card. The plastic is hard enough to scrape off mineral deposits, bird droppings, and baked-on bugs, but it is softer than your glass and clear coat. Hold it at a 45-degree angle and plow the debris off the surface. It's the safest, most effective scraper in your arsenal, and it's currently sitting in your wallet. Hack 5: Recirculation button for maximum AC cooling. If it's 100 degrees outside and your AC is struggling, you're probably making a classic mistake. Most people leave the AC on fresh air mode, meaning the car is constantly trying to cool down scorching air from the outside. Hit the recirculation button, the one with the arrow doing a U-turn inside the car. This closes the outside vents and focuses the AC on the air that's already cool inside the cabin. It reduces the load on your compressor and can drop your vent temperature by 10 to 15 degrees instantly. It also saves your cabin filter from clogging up with dust and exhaust fumes, saving you an air filter upsell at your next oil change. Hack 4: Silicone spray for seat belt retractor fix. Nothing makes a car feel old like a seat belt that won't pull out, or worse, won't retract when you take it off. You end up slamming the belt in the door, chipping your paint. A mechanic will tell you the retractor spring is shot and charge you $300 for a new assembly. 99% of the time, the belt is just dirty. Pull the belt all the way out and spray a light coat of dry silicone spray on the fabric. The silicone acts as a lubricant that allows the belt to glide through the plastic loops and into the mechanism with zero friction. It'll snap back like new, and the dry version won't stain your clothes. Hack 3: Sewing pin for misaligned nozzle correction. Is your windshield washer fluid shooting over the roof or hitting the bottom of the wiper? Don't buy new nozzles. Take a simple sewing pin, stick it into the tiny hole of the sprayer, and aim it. The ball inside the nozzle is designed to pivot. You can perfectly center your spray pattern in 5 seconds. Mechanics often charge a half-hour labor fee for this adjustment. You just did it for free with a tool from your junk drawer. Hack 2: Steering column lever for driving comfort. I see drivers every day hunched over the wheel, complained of back pain and stiff necks. They think it's the seat. Usually it's the wheel. Under almost every steering column is a small lever. Pull it down. Most people know the wheel goes up and down, but on modern cars, the wheel also telescopes. You can pull it toward you or push it away. Adjust the wheel so your wrists can rest on the top of the rim without your shoulders leaving the seat. This one forgotten lever can eliminate 80% of long-distance driving fatigue and ensure that if the airbag ever deploys, it's hitting you exactly where the engineers intended. Hack 1: Baby powder for door seal squeak removal. This is the king of all hacks. If your car groans or squeaks every time you go over a bump or open the door, it's usually the rubber weather stripping, drying out and rubbing against the metal frame. Mechanics will try to sell you a full seal replacement for $150 per door. Instead, take some baby powder and rub it onto the rubber seals. The powder acts as a dry lubricant, stopping the friction and the noise instantly. It also prevents your doors from freezing shut in the winter. It's a $4 fix that makes a 10-year-old car sound as quiet as a brand new luxury sedan. If these hacks just saved you a trip to the shop, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. We're here to make sure you're the one in control of your car's maintenance, not the guy behind the service desk. And if you want to see the 5 other things mechanics are hopping you never find out, click the video on your screen right now. Your wallet will thank you.